supposed to be. If it's floppier than that and has no tension on it, check the spring down in there. See that little, right down there. That little spring, the end of the spring is hooked around that little tube or metal piece right there that sticks out. And sorry, I don't mean to keep jiggling so much. You can't see, the camera can't focus on it. But that's what holds the tension on it and allows it to just pivot real nice and easy like it's supposed to. Okay, so if that's what the 1803 was like, if it's like this one, that's not floppy, that's great. If it is really, really loose, floppy, and doesn't actually engage the reverse, then you probably need to just put a new spring on or replace that spring. It may not even need a new spring. It may just simply need that spring. It may just need the spring down there rehooked on, because people sometimes accidentally disconnect the springs. See, like there's another little spring right in here. See, I've replaced springs in several of my Kenmores. I just went and bought replacements at Ace Hardware for like $1 to $2 or $3 for a pack of 2 usually. But anyway, 1803 Kenmore sewing machine. The reverse may be floppy feeling, and it's either going to be that it's because it's in great shape and it moves easily like it's supposed to because it just pivots super easy in there. Or if it's too floppy and doesn't have any tension, like if you don't have to push it down, if it just hangs there, then you probably just need to reattach or replace the spring. Okay, good luck. Bye.